What's up guys, it's Aiden, and today we're going to go through how the Weeknd made Save Your Tears on FL Studio, and for my fellow FL Studio users, I will also leave the FLP in the description below. This is how the song starts. So first off we have this basic kick clap pattern, and I've backed that up with this guitar loop. So for this sound we're using a few different instances of Omnisphere. These are all from the Trillion expansion, which is a great guitar library, and playing with that is this synth that I created in Serum. For this we're using Basic Mini, which you can find inside of Analog, and I've brought the unison up to 9. Then I'm just adding some chorus, a filter, and some reverb. After this we're coming into the first verse. Here we have a new hi-hat. We also have this guitar coming in that's playing the chords. And backing that up we have the bass guitar from the beginning. The whistle sound from Serum is also back. And it sounds like this in the track. Now we're coming up to the first chorus. Here the whistling sound switches up to C, E, B. The guitar has also switched up slightly. And that's being backed up by another electric guitar. And finally we have this really cool bass synth from Serum. So to make this synth we're using PWM Inception, which you can find inside of Analog, as well as this basic saw oscillator, and we're modulating the ASYM plus minus using envelope 3, so you can see how the wavetables move over time. So together it's sounding like this. Then later on in the song we have this switch up. Here we're using the Prids sidechain bass. And that's playing with this Serum preset. Here for the wavetables we're using Basic Mini again, as well as this triangle oscillator. Then we're modulating to create that wubbing effect using the filter. That's about it for all the synths. Oh, we do have one more. It's this plucking sound. This synth is pretty important later on in the song. For oscillator A, again we're using the Basic Mini wavetable. This wavetable is very frequently used not only throughout the song, but also throughout the entire album. This synth is what creates that retro 80s effect that you keep hearing throughout the album. And backing that up to add some depth to the sound, we're using a sine wavetable. For the filter, we're using MG Low 18, and to create that plucking sound, we're modulating the cutoff using envelope 2. This sound first appears at about 1:40 into the song, but it becomes the main focus of the song at about 2:40. This sound also plays in the final chorus. That's it for the tutorial. I will play you a clip from the song now. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.